My name is Connor Hodge. I'm the executive chef here at Upside Restaurant in Corolla, North Carolina, and today I'll be showing you our take on a southern boil. So unlike typical boils, the boil we will be making today will serve one person, and it pairs nicely with seasonal white wines that we have available in the spring, summer, and the fall. So to make the southern boil, you have stone ground grits here, Old Bay seasoning, heavy cream, marinated shrimp, house-made chorizo. Our seasonal whitefish today is going to be a halibut. We have blanched fingerling potatoes, flame roasted sweet corn, house pickled jalapenos, a little bit of parsley, and a French baguette. So our southern boil is different in the sense that we don't boil our seafood, and we use grits as the base to pull everything together, and then we finish it off with a cream and Old Bay mixture. To start off the southern boil, you're gonna boil 4 cups of water to 1 cup of grits with a little bit of salt, lemon juice, and bay leaves. After your grits have reached the desired thickness, you are gonna wanna cut the fingerling potatoes long ways and fry them for about 2 minutes. While those are frying, you're gonna season the halibut with salt and pepper and grill that at the same time as your marinated shrimp. And when your shrimp is almost done, you can grill your chorizo, which is already cooked, so it won't take very long. And in a saute pan, you're gonna take 2 cups of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of Old Bay, and reduce that down by about half. As soon as it's reduced by half, you can add your corn, and then you spoon the grits onto a plate, and then add all your proteins, your potatoes, and then the finished cream. And then you're gonna take about a 2-inch piece of the baguette, finish it off with pickled jalapenos and parsley.